Chakshu.
Hi Priyanji, how are you?
So I'm very curious about your role. So could you please enlighten us with what all you do and
So I think when I first came here, I came to apply for the role of business analyst. मैंने वो पूरा 1 day process दिया, पर उसके बाद मुझे suddenly HR ने बोला कि the CEO wants to meet you. मैं एक बार के लिए बहुत डर गया था, excited भी था, but then it was a not bittersweet, but like conflicting moment. फिर मैं आया, उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि growth strategist का एक role है, keeping in mind my background and my prior work experience in education.
so आपको पता था कि ग्रोथ स्ट्रैटेजिस्ट का काम क्या होता है?
Absolutely not. I think मुझे भी ये कम्युनिकेट किया गया था कि हमें भी नहीं पता क्या होता है. हम बस 2 वर्ड्स को जोड़ के एक पोजीशन बनाई है, ग्रोथ और स्ट्रैटेजिस्ट. सिंटेक्स को ग्रो करने के लिए वी हैव टू क्रिएट स्ट्रैटेजीज. एंड व्हाट दो स्ट्रैटेजीज वुड बी, व्हाट ऑल the job responsibilities would be, I was very clearly told that only I have to identify and come up with ways of fulfilling this role.
Many people have given this curveball today. They would be like, oh my god, they've taken a back and they're already like, bye bye, I'm done. So why did you take that challenge?
So like I said, I came here for the role of business analyst and then suddenly growth strategist offer hua tha, and then over the course of my last 4 years, now I'm handling more of the sales side of things now that I'm an account director. तो वो अपने आप में एक मेरे लिए भी path था from uncertain times to a lot of clarity. तो I think it got a structure within itself जहाँ पे मैं नया काम भी कर रहा था and I got some more clarity as well.
This is a very new different category of work that you're doing, and every day you have to explore what you have to do and then how you have to strategize things for other people, and it might have also got overwhelmed with time and then creating a team, and you must have felt that maybe let's call it quits.
I'll answer in 2 parts. Call it quits? No, not really. कभी ऐसा moment आया नहीं as I wouldn't be here today. तो कभी वो moment नहीं आया कि I can't do this, but हाँ, it was very uncertain a lot of times. But I think uncertainty was part of the process. It was told to me very clearly at the start of the job as well कि this will be full of uncertainty.
Do you think any values of Syntexa you think resonate the best with your journey?
I think एक value जो fun की है, I think in my interview as well, I can't work in a boring environment. I need like a chill, laid back environment while obviously keeping the work seriously. So I think fun is something I have with everybody in my team, be it somebody who's senior to me, be it somebody who's junior to me. I can have a ball time with anybody, right? So that's a very core, value of Syntexa I really imbibe.
It's non-negotiable.
Non-negotiable for me.
All right. Thank you for your time, Jakshu.